getting prepared for my day, motivated Monday. Ran across some news that I want to share with the community here. You can see that the market is now starting to price in a 50 BPS federal rate hike here. Now that has increased to a whopping 26%. So a lot of people are starting to come to their realization that we may need to continue to be tough and not soft when it comes to these inflation rate hikes. What brings me to my next topic here is a lot of people have been asking me, well, Millie, what are you doing? What are you doing, Millie? You know, well, I'm mostly in cash right now. The market, you know, is just so much uncertainty in the market right now. We got the Silverback situation. We got crypto exchange Bybit suspends USD deposits. Now that's kind of scary because I've seen a lot of YouTubers shilling Bybit, so I know that's huge. Even overseas, Bybit is huge, and just a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt inside the market. So it's just important, family, that we keep our energy up, positive. You know, it's always good to kind of like continue to find things that do things that you love doing, because if you love what you do, you never got to work a day in your life. But most importantly, law of attraction, positive mental attitude, and you can apply that even in the crypto space, because we're starting to get so much negative news that's creeping up on us. It was such a beautiful start to the month here. It was just such a beautiful start to the month here. We had finally crossed 25K, and now we're seeing Bitcoin again struggling here at 22K, Ethereum at 15K. So I was expecting a correction. Right now I'm in cash. You know, this is a time where I'm personally just chilling with my HODL portfolio, not doing nothing too crazy, and just sitting it out and waiting for further confirmation of whether we're getting more pain or we're getting another move to the upside. So the market is trying to price in the current economic situation, the current sticky inflation, and we are seeing mixed signals in the market. I don't know if this is correct. I seen Tether diamonds here spike all the way up to almost 12%. So if that's correct, that's not a good thing. I think this is a bug, though. I don't think it actually spiked up here to 12%. If so, y'all let me know in the comments. But you can see that the DXY is sitting at 104. We did get that retrace back up to the upside, which we expected, but it's looking like a lower high and a lower low here, which is good. So we didn't really get a double top, where a lot of people was, you know, thinking that, you know, the DXY here could creep maybe back up to 110 before coming back down. On the weekly, as you see, it looks like the stock RSI wants to come back down, and the RSI here is, you know, trying to figure out. So it all depends on the CPI data. It all depends on what the Fed wants to do. It really seems like the market here is at a standstill, and everybody's waiting on the Fed's decision and the US, the CPI. We are getting sticky inflation in areas like Germany. I believe the UK, people in the UK are talking about still doing a 50 point rate hike. So a lot of uncertainty in the macro environment with this inflation, and it was expected because of the money printer and all the money that they gave out in 2020. So we'll just have to see. This is just a macro update, like we're just chilling, you know what I'm saying, talking, having a conversation about this macro environment, but just really keeping a clear and focused mind with our crypto positions, because remember, no emotion. We fall in love with the narrative, not the project. And speaking of narratives, I know there's a couple narratives I do plan on talking about this week. Maybe we take a deep dive into stacks and the potential utility of Bitcoin and the NFTs that's going on there with Bitcoin, the potential release of Shibarium, and how the whole Shibarium ecosystem has just went parabolic over the weekend. And so many more narratives that we can double down on. I know artificial intelligence has been a huge one. But yeah, I'm just chilling. I'm just chilling. You know what I'm saying? You know, and Millie ain't really doing nothing too crazy. You feel me? I come to these points in the crypto space where I just, you know, take a step back and kind of like digest what's really going on inside the crypto space. And I think that's really the best thing to do. So it comes down to this 0.50. If we get a 0.50, that's gonna be bad. We probably would see new pain in the market. Maybe we retest the lows, the Bitcoin and the crypto lows, because we really haven't got a retest on the lows. But if we get a 0.25, even though that's still bad, technically that's good because it's already priced in the market. So we can expect maybe the relief rally to continue. Some people think this is the start of a bull run. Some people think that this is accumulation cycle. However you look at it, you feel me? It all comes down to this CPI data, the jobs report, and also the federal rate hike. So we'll just have to see. I know we could potentially be entering into a recession, but I want to know from y'all family, will the rally continue? It's your boy Soapguys TV, Millie.